St. Nicholas School in Marikina City.
Nicholas School for their recognition number, the Tai Chi Dance.
战果，战死一棵松，我是一张弓，战死一棵松，不动不要做如虫，走路一阵风，南拳和北腿，少林武当功，太极八卦连环掌，中华有神功。
Candidates for Mr. and Miss UN. Sabida din siya kamera na ang Tennessee Obrera Aika Pratinhid India!
Seto Delpio, Korea.
Korea is the region. Rudy Colemonte, Jemapel, Rich Adrian, Zane A. Aguirre, representant France. How is this? What name is this? Cyril, Debiao, China. Korea representing India. Assalamualaikum, Maramabahanam, Makkal Soto, Sumatyo, Saudi Arabia. Konnichiwa, watashi wa Mel, Dairin in Japan. Minamis Lagat Mendoza, Bergajan, Burdigan, Netherlands. Marhaba, Masa, Algayin, IC, Juliana Marcelo, Tomatillo, Egypt. Pomerania and Mayor Pauline Lardisapan, Chair representa Italia.
Was Deaton by Chan Gian Francisco. Penthouse Hayan, Kong, Thailand.
Hello, Joey Vidal, Mayna, Mikhail Luis, Alarcon, Latin World, Africa. Buenos días, amigos, amigas. Yo soy Alexis de la Cueva, representando España. Que tu uno mamu en esta Sabrina po e pronto Tekin Helada.
Hola, mi nombre es Vladimir, representando a México.
Mexico. Aloha, ahoy, noa, Jana, Mal, Hawaii.
Aloha. Xin chào tận tôi là Adrian, chào tận từ Vietnam.
Vietnam, sa South Misa'y natuwa ang may likha, Bitong ibang pulo, South Korea is located in Southeast Asia. It is known as the land of the morning calm. A warm applause for Mr. and Miss South Korea. Once again, the representatives of Mr. and Miss Brazil. Egypt is located in North Africa, and it is known as the land of pyramids and pharaohs. Once again, Mr. and Miss Egypt, the representatives for Mexico. It is located in North America. Japan, known as the land of the rising sun, and it is located in Asia. A warm applause for Mr. and Miss Japan. China is located in Asia and is known as the land of the red dragon. Once again, Mr. and Miss China. Thailand is located in Asia and it is known as the land of smiles. A round of applause for Miss Thailand. Representing the country of Spain, Spain is known as the land of the setting sun. Spain is located in Europe. Once again, Miss Spain, the country of Cambodia. Cambodia is located in Asia, and it is known as the land of peace and prosperity. Representing the country of Greece. Greece is known as the land of the gods. Once again, Miss Greece, Mr. and Miss United Kingdom. United Kingdom is located in Europe. Representing the